everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something that affects every part of our lives, from school to work to relationship, and that is the art of clear communication. Have you ever been misunderstood or maybe had a small problem grow into a big one just because of poor communication? We've all been there. That's why learning how to express ourselves clearly is just a powerful skill. 1. Be clear and simple. First, use simple words. Clear communication doesn't mean using complicated terms. It means making sure your message is easy to understand. 2. Listen actively. Communication is not just about talking. It's also about listening. When we listen carefully, we show respect and avoid misinterpretation. 3. Body language matters. Sometimes how we say things is more important. That's why we say eye contact, facial expression, and tone of voice can either strengthen or weaken our message. 4. Ask and clarify. Don't be afraid to ask questions or repeat what you understood. Clarifying avoids confusion and builds stronger connection. I've learned that when I practice clear communication, not only do I express myself better, but I also understand others more deeply. It's not just about talking, it's about connecting. So, that art of clear communication is really about simplicity, listening, body language, and clarification. If we master this, our conversation will be smoother and our relationship, whether personal or professional, will definitely grow stronger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and comment below what's your biggest challenge when it comes to communication. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, speak clearly and listen carefully and connection mindfully. See you there next vlog.